Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session I'm going to explain you a sum based on median. This is the basic example sum of median. So if you understand this very well, you can do other sums which are very important based on median. Okay, so the question is from exercise 14.3 7th sum. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So let us do it. So friends, in question they have given us the class intervals and frequency. Generally for doing mean we find xi, and for mode we don't need any other column, and for finding median we need only one column, that is cumulative frequency. So how to find cumulative frequency is, first you will be writing as it is the 2 from the frequency, and next you have to add. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Okay, next 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Next 6 plus 13 is equals to 19. Next 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. 25 plus 3 is equals to 28. 28 plus 2 is equals to 30. Okay, so in this way you have to find the cumulative frequency. You are just going to add the frequency to the cumulative frequency. So 2 you have to write as it is, and then you have to add all these values in this way. Understood? So if you observe friends, when you add all these values, that is addition of frequency will be equal to this 30. Okay, so this 30 is known as n. N is equals to 30. Okay, so you can also add all these values if you want and check it out. So now in this we need n by 2. Okay, n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 30 by 2. 30 by 2 equals to 15. Now we are doing the sum based on median. So let us write the formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so from where will you obtain all these values? Is from the median class. So how to find the median class is the value from the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. That is, if you observe, the just greater value in the cumulative frequency than n by 2 is 19. See, observe, just greater value than 15 is 19. So this will be our median class. So friends, if you observe, the just greater value than 15, that is 19, is taken as the median class. So from this median class you will be obtaining all these values. So L is nothing but lower boundary of median class interval. So the lower boundary of the median class interval is 55. So our L will equal to 55. Next, n by 2 is as it is we found before only, that is 15. The next, cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency of preceding median class. So cumulative frequency of preceding median class, that is the preceding cumulative frequency of this median class is 13. So our CF will be equal to 13. Next, H is the class size. So what is the difference between 55 and 60? Yes, you're right. It equals to 5. Now we have to substitute all these values into this. So, oh wait, we didn't find the frequency. So frequency is taken from the median class, that is you can take 6. So frequency of median class will be equal to 6. Now we have to substitute all these values into the formula. So L we have taken 55 plus n by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 by F is 6 into H's height, that is 5. So 55 plus, on subtracting 15 minus 13 you get 2. So when you multiply 2 into 5, the answer will be equal to 10. 10 by 6. Okay. Next 55 plus, on simplifying this value, that is when you divide 10 by 6, the answer will be 1.66. So when you add this, it is 56.66 and so on. Okay, so therefore the median of given data is equals to 56.66. So friends, in this way you have to find the median of the given data. So many of the students will be doing wrong to choose the median class. So based on n by 2, the just greater value will be taken as the median class. Okay, and remember, cumulative frequency is taken the preceding of the median class. Okay, not directly 19, it is 13. So please do subscribe to my channel, share, like and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. Thank you.